it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is another self-care video. I absolutely love recording this type of content. Let me know if y'all like self-care videos. I'm gonna keep doing it regardless. Hopefully y'all like it because I really do enjoy creating this type of content for y'all. So let's go ahead and jump into this self-care video. The nail polish I'm going to use today from Nail Addict, I wanted to try this pretty pink, or I was going to try this pretty color. It's called Best of Summer. I think I want to give this one a try. So I already put a top coat on. Oh, it's pretty. Very pretty color. I think all I need is one coat, so I'm gonna put the top coat on and finish doing the rest of my nails. Yeah, just one coat. I like it. I'm polishing my nails. They came out so freaking pretty. So now I'm about to moisturize my hands with my new favorite moisturizer, Fenty Skin. I'm late to this game because let me tell you, one thing I am not a follower. So I heard everybody ranting and raving about this moisturizer. I'm saying, I don't know, I just wasn't interested in trying it. But I picked it up and let me tell you, moisturized, okay? And that's all I have to say is moisturized. I love it. Look how moisturized my hands look. The 4 is jojoba oil, protecting oil. It's good for your face, body, and your hair. So I like to put this on my cuticles because, yes, for my job, I wash my hands all day, every day, and my cuticles really do suffer. So I need to keep my hands and my cuticles nice and moisturized if I don't want them to be jacked up. Love it. I want to thank Heritage Store for providing me their Rosewater collection coupon code in the description box below if you want to purchase their products and save a couple coins. First product I'll be using is the Gentle Milk Wash. It purifies and nourishes your skin. It's great for dry to combination skin. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and free of dyes. This is a milky cleanser that's gentle and pH balanced. It works great to melt away impurities and dirt without stripping your skin of its natural oils. I have super sensitive skin. I said this plenty of times, and this moisturizer is gentle on my skin and did not irritate me, even though it had a strong smell of roses, which I don't mind. I was scared that it was going to irritate my skin, and it did not. I was really pleased with how gentle and clean my skin felt after using this. Next product we'll be using is Rosewater Toner Moisturizing Essential. Again, it's great for dry to combination skin. I don't know if you could tell, but under my left eye, I have a dry patch. I don't know what's going on with my eye, but it has been really irritated lately. And I put the toner over my whole face and under my eyes, and it did not irritate it again. Smells amazing, and it felt really good. A few of the ingredients are glycerin, leaf juice, citric acid, aloe vera, and flower oil. On to the Soothing Gel Cream Moisturizer. The Rose Collection motto is good for people and planet. It's vegan and cruelty-free, which is a great thing. This moisturizer was really lightweight. I like the way it felt on my skin, but my skin felt like it needed some more moisture. So I decided to use the rose oil on top of the moisturizer. If you have been following me, you already know I love to moisturize my skin with oils, especially at night. Let me tell you one thing. This smells so freaking good. The whole collection, I don't know what else to tell you. I love the way roses smell, and it smells so freaking good. And this oil topped over the moisturizer really had my skin feeling nice, plump, and moisturized. Do you see that glow? Nice, fresh, clean face.
You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just. No matter how far, if life is a movie, oh, you're the best. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Watching you for a while, your smiling style. Wanna know if I can be with you for the night, alright? Instead, don't cry, baby, baby. There is only one for me. You have made that possibility. We could take that step to see if this is really gonna be. All you gotta do is say.
So what you think about my self-care video this week? Usually I'll do my own pedicure, but I didn't feel like doing that. I said, you know what, let me go ahead and treat myself. So I went to the nail salon, as you saw. Let me know what you think about this type of content. Did you enjoy this video? Have you tried any of the products that I used in today's video? If so, let me know if you like it, if you didn't like it. And also drop down in the comments and let me know what are some of your favorite products you like to use on your self-care days, whether it's a shampoo, lotion, body oil, anything, toothpaste, toothbrush. Let me know, because I'm always in a search for new products. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
All you got